Hi, the DS Security Services is Aris here. So we are complete the job about 46 cameras, and but we run here for 52 cables. Like we run extra wires for six because this is a long distance. So everything is working perfectly. And I just want to show you some important cameras like the Hikvision, and it's PIR camera. PIR one means like this one. You know, this camera is a PIR and is a 2 megapixel Hikvision and 40 meter IR distance. And this camera is special about this camera is got the red and blue light by the camera side, and when any movement, then the red and black light is going to be on, like the police van when the police is going, and there is a red light on the top like red and blue. So this camera is having the same like those light, and is having an alarm as well. So when any movement, then alarm also is going to be triggered. And when like someone like come closer, and this screen is going to become big automatically, and you can see like something is happening there, something is movement there. So we put two cameras like that. So this one also is a PIR camera, is a sensor, and is having a blue and the red light like a police one. So this is very good camera, and you can see how clear this is the driveway, and is going to the parking. This is a workshop area, and this is like outside for the main road. So but everything is working perfect, and let me show you the other one. This is the pattern we make for open. This is the parking area. This is for main entrance, and this one also the walking. This is outside. This one is facing to the like lake, and the walking if is someone coming down from the lake, so you can see. This camera we put like a spy camera, like a hiding camera. Even if you go in the room, you're not gonna see this camera. So this is a spy cam. This is entrance. This is a passage. This is a room area, and is having a room and the passage and the sitting area. So it's having is about 16, I think 16 or 20 rooms on this lodge. This is like a guest house and a farmhouse and golf club, and it's lots of entertainments here. The people are coming here for holidays. So this one, and let me show you the last one. We put three DVRs and three screens, but the cable we run uh, about six extra wires. So means we run total about 52 wires. So in future, if you want to add some more cameras, so it's easy. So we don't have to be run for the new wires. This one is for the main entrance. Yeah. So, and this screen is about 40-inch. And this is also passage. This is for like dining area. People are doing here the breakfast. You know. This is our monitoring room. So here is the one we put the cameras. So here is the security guard gonna sit here 24/7, so you can monitor everything. This is for the kitchen, passage, the fridge, this is the kitchen back door, this is the roof and the garden, this is the bar, this is for the gym. and boardroom like conference room. This is a party hall. That's also, we put about 46 altogether. All right, and yours?
Good.
What are you looking for?
Where's Imran?
Imran, I think, is sleeping. And I want to show you on the top also where we put the DVR, everything. So this is the more important parts, when you bring like 52 wires and for RG59, not the CAT5. CAT5 is a thin. So this is a lots of wires. And you can see how we put our wires. So this is about the 4 routes. One is coming from there, about 5-6 wires. One is coming from there, white, the trunking, about 20 wires. And this one is coming also 18 or 15 wires. And another one is coming from there. So all the wires is coming and is meeting here. Right, this is our DVR. You can see there's a DVR size here, all the 3 DVRs. So next to the DVR is the power supply. So I just want to show you like how the DS work. So you're not gonna see the big mess of the wire, because people, if you're putting the DVR on the top and running the wire in the ceiling, in the roof, so you just leave it all over. So you not make it like a need like this. This is not our job, and this is someone did alarm system before me. You can see the people how this work. Even his wire we putting inside, because it was here a big mess. You can see even the electric wires how it's hanging and all this. And but our wires all is in this trunking. So customer also is very happy, and he like it what we done here, and he's very happy. So it's easy to repair actually, if you do the proper job, and if he's having any problem, so it's easy to find the problem and diagnose. You see this extra we leave here. So whenever you do the big job, so you have to put extra wires in future. If you want to add, the customer say you want to put this camera also here, you want to add one more camera here. So if you're going to install one camera, so it's going to be very big deal. So rather you can put the extra wire, even don't need to tell customer, even you tell customer is fine. But then this is for you in future. So you can see this, all our DVRs, number 1 is there, and we put the plug point also, so all the power is here. And we did all the earthing and the lightning and such protectors, so just try to save for the lightnings. So everything has looked perfect. And I will leave maybe tomorrow, everything we sorted, so we just here to testing everything is working perfectly. Right. Thank you very much, guys.